How to fix settings icon missing on Android device. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can fix if your settings icon is missing on your Realme device. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, search settings in your app drawer. Swipe up from your home screen to open up the app drawer and in the search bar, type in settings. Once found, long press the icon and drag it back to your home screen. But if that does not work for you, you could also access settings via quick settings panel. Swipe down from your quick settings panel, navigate to bottom right corner and there is the settings or gear icon that's going to open up settings in your device. So once you're under settings, now clear the launcher cache. Once here, head over to the application. Tap on See All Apps, tap on the three dot at the top right and head over to Source System. Again tap on the search icon. Now search for the launcher application. Once you find your launcher, tap on it, head over to Storage and Cache and then tap on Clear Cache. That will also help you solve your problem. If that still does not help you, then restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart also fixes the minor UI glitches. You could also try it. So these are some of the options that will help you fix if the settings icon is missing on your Android device. That's it and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.